Okay, YouTube, so we're going to do step 7 now, which is the Connecticut IRP and the IFTA. If you don't live in Connecticut, it's not going to be a benefit for you. But if you do live in Connecticut, this is definitely going to benefit you because I already did all of it. So, and this was what I did, and I didn't have any hiccups. I didn't have any kickbacks. The only kickback I had was that I needed to update my insurance as them being a certificate holder. And that was it. And then where I have to send my money. But that was it. I mean, everything else was pretty simple. They give you this document sheet on the Connecticut website. It's pretty simple. You just file this step by step. And we're going to go through it today. So you guys are going to be ready to register these trucks. And hopefully not have any hiccups. So stay tuned. We're going to get right into it now. Okay, YouTube. So this is the Connecticut IFTA 2 form. This is the form you got to fill out to get your IFTA tags on your truck. It was very simple. Everything that's highlighted is what you need on this form. So you're going to have your 11-digit number, whatever your Connecticut tax registration ID. You're going to be a new account. Sorry, I'm trying to do it as I stand. You got your ABC Trucking, which would be your company name, or if you're a sole proprietor, your first name, your address, your name, your address, zip. Over here, you're going to do your EIN number, your phone number, your DOT number, and then right here, your social security number. And then right here, you're going to either say you're sole proprietor or whatever however you guys set up your corporation, LLC, sole proprietor, whatever that is. And then right here, you're just going to mark no because you are registering, or you're going to do Connecticut only. And then right here, I put general freight. Are you going to hold bulk? No. Diesel? Yes. Then just Bob Smith, your name, which is Bob Smith, your email. And then right here, one truck. And then you times that by 10 and $10. You send them the IFTA, the Department of Revenue Services right here. You could call them and have them, because there's a different address. I can't remember what the address is, or I would tell you guys. I would just give them a shout and be like, hey, where am I sending the $10 to? And then they'll just tell you where to send it. Just sign your title and the date. That's pretty much it, guys. IFTA is very simple in Connecticut. You should have it within a week. All right, guys. So this is the IRP application. Very simple again. It looks a lot complicated, but it's really very easy. So either you're going to be a business name, you're going to use your business name, or if you're a sole proprietor, your name, or however you're going to register the truck. Either going to put in your name or the business name. Your address, email. Now here is either going to pick one. So either you're putting it in your name or your business name. So you just pick which one you're going to do it in. Right here is type of application. You're going to put new. And then right here, haul for hire and truck tractor. And that's pretty much it right there. Your contact information is going to go here. And then your insurance. So like mine is Progressive. You're going to put your insurance, whatever yours is. If it's a Progressive, then there. You could leave these blank, because eventually you're going to show them your Accord 25. So you could leave that blank unless you have it, and then you could just fill it in. If you are leasing your truck, you have to show proof of bobtail insurance. So if you're leased onto a company, you're just looking to just to get your own plates, you would click that, and then, or you would, check that, and then you would submit those documents to them. And then you're just signing here, your title and the date. Pretty simple. That's page 1. And then you got page 2 right here. You're just going to put your business name or your name, truck 01, if you want to, that's how you want to label it. Your VIN, make, model, truck, red, blue, green, whatever color, 3 axles, diesel, your unladed weight, your combined weight, the purchase price that you bought the truck for, how much it was brand new, Um, date of purchase. So whenever you bought your truck, is it a lease vehicle or is it is it leased or do you own it? Right here. And then you got date of lease, your name, where you're going to store it, and just leave the plate number blank. And then you're going to have a third page. The third page you just leave blank. So you can send that back. Now this is the last form you guys are going to fill out, is your Connecticut registration title application. This is the form. Pretty much everything that's highlighted has to be filled out. I'm not going to go through it all because, you know, everybody's going to be different. But yeah, just read it over. I'm going to put all these forms on my Instagram page because for some reason, when you try to upload pictures on YouTube, it doesn't really come out right. So I'm going to put these on my Instagram at CT_trucker. So you guys can take a look at them, and hopefully this helps you out. We're going to go over that checklist in a second. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is the checklist that Connecticut needs. You want to have all these checked. Everything that I have underlined, you want them checked. Anything that's not underlined, you don't have to worry about. So this is very important. This is going to make or break you. I'm telling you right now. I had all these checked. I had no problems. So your IRP application is what we just went over. There's going to be an IRP deposit form. You can't find this on the website. Just send them a check for $25 and you will be good. You don't have to wait, because I waited almost 2 weeks for the application and I never received it. So just send them a check for $25 when you submit all this paperwork and you'll be good. Your Accord 25, that's where you'll get your from your insurance company. Your copy of a valid driver's license, so front and back of a driver's license. Your Concord business filing, so the Secretary of State, you go on that site right here and just print a copy of out for them. Your UCR, if you went through Foley Services, you just print that out, which they sent you, or if you filled it, you go to this website right here. You could do it on your own. Property taxes, if you have any property taxes that, you know, are on your vehicle or boats or anything, you have to pay those first or they will not register. Established place of business. So you have to come up with 3 of these documents right here, and then you will be good. Right here, I'm gonna move this up. Your IRS, your 2290, pretty much. You're gonna send them a copy of that. If not, you could go on Tax Express, truck Tax Express, or Express Truck Tax, or whatever, and do your own. Right here is your H13. That's that long form that I just told you guys that it was too much information to fill out. That's that form. All required inspections. So this one right here, I would call them, because the lady said that they stopped doing the inspections. However, if you have an out-of-state vehicle, you will have to get a VIN verification. So, but the good thing is you could go to any of those inspection sites where they do emissions, and they will do a VIN verification there. So you'll be good to go. And I mean, if you want to just get a DOT inspection just so you don't have any hiccups, I would do that as well. But the VIN verification, you can go to any of the stations. I can't even talk today. You could go to any emission statements and they'll do the VIN verification. $20 cash, so you'll be good to go. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's pretty simple. From there on, you don't have to worry about that, and you're good. So you'll get an email within 2 weeks Me personally, I sent my shit up there. I drove up there and I handed it to security guy, and then they gave it to IFTA, the IRP office. The IFTA I just mailed out because it was a different office. But I made 2 trips up there, and like I said, I had my IRP plates within, I would say, 2 weeks. So I hope this helps you guys. Now, that was a lot of information to give you guys, but like I said, if you guys are having any questions or whatnot, just hit me up, ctchucker2020@gmail.com. If you want to see the photos, go on my Instagram. It's going to be CT_trucker. You'll be able to see all the photos that I showed you guys on this YouTube channel. Like I said, it's really simple. Fill those forms out. Make sure everything on that checklist that I showed you is done. You could print it out yourself and then just underline what I showed you guys, and you'll be good to go. I'm telling you, it was very simple. And me personally, I would send it up there myself. I wouldn't mail it up there. I would deliver it to the security guy, put it in a nice manila envelope, seal it up, put your name and all that stuff on it, and put in new applicant, and you'll be good to go. But I'm hoping this helps you guys out. And like, if you're leased on with a company and you're trying to get your own plates, at least you have some type of reference now. It's real simple, guys. It's really, if I could do it, any of you guys can do it. So like I said, I hope this helps my CT brothers and sisters out. If you're looking to register your own vehicle, this definitely takes the curve out of it. And if you have any questions, hit me up. CT out.